So I had problem number 8, which says, let A, B, C, and D be real numbers with the absolute value of A minus B equals 4, the absolute value of B minus C equals 5, and the absolute value of C minus D equals 8. What is the sum of all the possible values of the absolute value of A minus D? So I started by writing out what we know, which are these 3. And then, since it's an absolute value, we knew that A minus B equals 4, and B minus A equals 4, B minus C equals 5, and C minus B equals 5, C minus D equals 8, and D minus C equals 8. So then I took these 6 that we now have, and I solved for B. So B equals A minus 4, and B equals A plus 4. And then for this one, I solved for B. So B equals C minus 5, and B equals C plus 5. And for this one, I solved for C. So C equals D plus 8, and C equals D minus 8. And since we want it to be in terms of A minus D, we know that we can substitute B with A plus 4, A minus 4, and we know we can substitute C for D plus 8 and D minus 8. So I took these 2 equations and I substituted the A and the D, and to get the 8 different equations here. So then I have A minus 4 equals D plus 8 minus 5, A minus 4 equals D minus 8 minus 5, A minus 4 equals D plus 8 plus 5, A plus 4 equals D minus 8 plus 5, A plus 4 equals D plus 8 minus 5, A plus 4 equals D minus 8 minus 5, A plus 4 equals D plus 8 plus 5, A plus 4 equals D minus 8 plus 5, and then I just simplified it, so each of them, so A minus 4 equals D plus 3, A minus 4 equals D minus 13, A minus 4 equals D plus 13, A minus 4 equals D minus 3, A plus 4 equals D plus 3, A plus 4 equals D plus 13, A minus 4, A plus 4 equals D plus 13, A plus 4 equals D minus 3, and then I did some basic algebra to solve what A minus D equaled for all these equations. So for the first one, A minus D equals 7, A minus D equals negative 9, A minus D equals 17, A minus D equals 1, A minus D equals negative 1, A minus D equals negative 17, A minus D equals 9, A minus D equals negative 7. And since we know that A minus D is the absolute value, we know that we're only going to have positive values for our answer. So we know that when we take the absolute value of all these, the answers that we have are 1, 7, 9, and 17, and we add those all together to get a final answer of 34.